Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Phoenix Marvel Rivals, updated. Start by setting your control layout and sensitivity to comfortable levels, then practice the basic light, medium, heavy rhythm in training mode. Focus on timing to cancel normals into specials and maintain positional advantage. Learn one reliable punish and one escape option, and prioritize using Phoenix energy strategically rather than spamming it during neutral. Warm up by practicing movement drills for 5 to 10 minutes to ingrain spacing habits. Work on buffered special cancels and diagonal jumps to create ambiguous cross-ups that force guesses. Drill one tech for every mix-up so you can react under pressure, and analyze replays to spot repeated habits. Gradually add new setups only after the prior ones feel automatic and consistently land during casual matches. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation. I recently picked up the Kindle Paperwhite, and it makes reading strategy guides and match notes so easy on the couch or commute. It feels light, has great battery life, and fits a stack of PDFs for practice sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Record and repeat damage, maximizing combos in training mode until muscle memory makes them natural. Focus on routes that scale well and leave you in safe positions, and practice converting stray hits into full combos without dropping momentum. Reserve Phoenix meter for clutch moments or guaranteed kills, and avoid wasting resources on low-reward confirms. Review matches to see which meter usages changed outcomes, then adapt your priorities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.